You guys, what is up? It's Cool Places, and we're back with some more Shellshock.io. Today's video, we're going to be trying to get some cool wins, and what am I saying, cool wins? This isn't Fortnite, so let's just see if we can get a better KD and stuff. Let's get right down into it. No one else? Where is everyone? Oh, I've only just seen that it's 5, I can't count, 6v5. Let's go Caleb, what's good? Oh, I've sniped, I've hit him. He's probably just hard scoping me. Mad. That is absolutely mad. Okay, he is... Peek, peek, be careful! Be careful! Oh, that prediction snipe was just dirty. There's nothing else to say. It was just felt nice. Look, not like this. What's good? What's good? You sleep. I do German. That's right. Let's go. Easy. Nice. Wait, is that a sheep? Oh my god, it is a sheep. That sheep. Okay, I think there's a guy here. Because my teammates just being absolutely finessed. Anyone else? Okay. Take, stand still. Oh my god. What? How did he one-hit me? I didn't even know you could one-hit with freaking sniper. What do you mean? Easy. Die. Anyone else? What's good, joke? Oh, we're playing against Allier. Which shadow would want to call themselves Allier? Oh, that's a hit. I didn't know whether to aim for Yoke or Tate. That's my problem. I can't believe I did terribly. That should be an easy kill. Oh, that guy's just absolutely been fast. Please don't tell me that shot was at me. I think it was my teammate. If it's a guy with a shotty who's just gonna hunt me down, then I'm kind of dead. Okay, I can't climb stairs. What is this game? Okay, I accidentally pressed it. Trash. Anyone? Anyone? I cannot see a single person. Oh, wow. Where the hell is Ali? I want to just absolutely show him what people who call themselves Ali deserve. Where are you? Oh my days. Okay, I've just got my mouse. Not like this. My mouse just slid off the table. That's not good. Anyone? Okay, so the sheep killed himself, which is absolutely brilliant. What's good, Yoke? Yo, it's the sheep. Let's go, my G. Anyone? I think the secret. No, the secret alleyway is somewhere else. Ali, where are you? You're a trash YouTuber. Oh, I think that guy just got absolute. What? How am I missing those? Okay, I didn't know how I missed the first 2 snipes. I'm absolutely terrible at the game. Gee, okay. Sorry, Mr. Easy kill. Never stand still in this game. It's basically sniper shootout. Oh, talk about Fortnite. I'm thinking of dropping my next video in maybe 1-2 weeks, because my house is currently being renovated, so I can't currently make videos. So yeah, that's not that great. Okay, let's just see if we can find some dirty people to snipe. Them men are dirty productions. What's good, Yoke? Okay, we took a shot there which we didn't need to take. Yep, Ninja. Oh my days, these people. We've got a guy named Ninja. And I hate Ninja. He's just... No, not the YouTuber. He's just switched to our team, which is what I hate. Be careful. Wait, did you die? Oh, Yoga. What? I clearly didn't kill Yoga unless the feed hasn't updated. So no one's died until I got my third kill. That's just brilliant. Okay, Yoke. What? This guy is actually clueless. It's unreal how clueless he is. 4 kills. Let's grab the most kills. Anyone else? Anyone else willing? I don't know if I can make this jump. Okay, I got... What? Okay, that lag is brilliant. The only good person was Tate, and he's probably down camping in a bush because he's AFA. Oh, jeez. No scope. You quick scope. I no scope. 1 kill. 2 kills. Easy. Oh, no. Wait, it's that guy called Facebook. Oh, I've took way more I'm so dumb. I saw the grenade. I just walked in on top of the grenade. Okay, I'll be back after. Okay, and we're back from the advert. Yeah, let's see if we can get another kill streak. Oh, that Caleb could be the most ducky sniper I've ever seen. Anyone? Okay, I'm absolutely being wrecked. Oh my days, what am I seeing? What am I seeing? Donita, I expected better from you. What's good? Oh wow. Oh, I hate when that happens. Anyone else? I need someone to snipe. Okay, that's terrible. Yo, I just jumped in my seat. I might do some webcam recordings. I don't know. I might. Okay, that's trash. Watch how that grenade gets a kill. Okay, nope, not like this, not like that. Okay. At least it didn't tumble all the way down and just blow me up. Okay, lag glitch happened again. Okay, this has... What? Oh, I hate it when people switch teams. I'm going to switch to that so I can get more kills. Okay, Ninja killed me. Wow, you're so cool. I need a balanced team in that. Okay, I'm trash. What's good? What's good, Ninja? School me. Get out of my face, Ninja. We snatch W's around here. What's good? What do you mean? What's good, Ninja? What am I seeing? What's good? What's good, Edonito? Edonito. We snatch W's around here. I cannot snipe. I just cannot snipe anymore. What's good, Ninja? We take tops around here. Where is... What's good? Caleb? Okay. I need to kill Edonita before... Okay, Edonita is playing without a mic. Oh, we just hit those dotty snipes sometimes. Man, I told you. It's not about... Okay. What's good, Ninja? What's good? Oh, the drag scopes are just unreal in this game. They look so fluid. Oh baby, I don't need that. Okay, I'm trying. Ah, big shot. Okay, that was some guy behind me. I hate that. Anyway, oh, someone just got sniped. Ninja just. What's good, Ninja? Oh wow, I'm just gonna get angry up, aren't I? I can't believe that. What's good? What do you mean you moved? Anyone? Okay. No, this should be a play. Good game. Oh, that site was dirty. I can't believe he was just hard scoping me all the way. Oh, Ninja's actually doing bits. I can't imagine Ninja playing this game. That would actually be some madness. Okay, I've accidentally switched weapons. Hey, snipe me, dude. Oh my god. Not like this, not like this. What's good? What's good? We take no scopes. Ninja, I hate you so much. Oh. Anyone else willing to be sniped? What? I can't believe he was next to me. I thought it was some guy just firing random shots at me. I didn't think he'd be. Oh, that's brilliant, isn't it? Okay. So our team's taking care of him. Joke is actually a legend. It's just me and Joke carrying. And then there's freaking Ali who's just sitting down. Ali, come on, Joke. We got this, Joke. Oh, there's a guy. What's good? I see you. Wait, Dad. What? How did I not get any of those kills? Oh, it was because Joke did. I thought I hit them both times. Guess Joke. What's good? Oh my god. I should have focused on Caleb. I'm so dumb. Hey. Easy. What? How did he not die? That was right in the center. What's good, Ninja? What's good? Okay, this is probably gonna be my last. Oh, they just talk about them. What can I say? Just call me to already. And I told you they. Oh my days, this guy is the biggest potato. Hello. Hello. Please kill me. Oh, Ninja! What? Attached to that guy. I'm just gonna bury myself. Okay, I'll be back after the advert. And we're back after the break. Has this suddenly gone quiet? Okay. What's good? What? Dun. Oh, don't try and aid me. You'll regret it, Ninja. You will regret it. You may be one of the best players, but you are no match for Cool Place Cakes. What's good? I think there's just gonna be some guy around the corner just hard scoping the top. You're dead. Adjan. You're dead. What? I'm on 1 health. Oh wow. I can't believe that. Okay, this is my final game, then I'm going. Anyone? Okay, goodbye.